Din hija tieqa ta' Dwejra f'Marzu tal-2007 u din hija tieqa ta' Dwejra f'April tal-2012, jiġifieri 5 snin wara. Fil-jiem li għaddew ċediet parti sostanzjali minnha, xi ħaġa li għanqlet diskussjoni sħiħa f'pajjiżna online, min jgħid li l-proċess tan-natura huwa inevitabbli u min jgħid li l-awtoritajiet kellhom jagħmlu xi ħaġa. It-tieqa ta' Dwejra hija kkunsidrata bħala waħda mill-iktar attrazzjonijiet sbieħ f'pajjiżna infittxija kemm it-turisti kif ukoll mill-Maltin, kif fil-fatt jiġdu l-filmati mxandra. One News kellem mat-turisti li żaru t-tieqa ta' Dwejra li faħru l-ġmiel ta' dan il-ġojjel u qalu li hija ħasra jekk it-tieqa ta' Dwejra nitilfuha darba l dejjem.
Yeah, so no, it's great, it's really nice.
No, I think it's made quite a wonderful natural formation. And I think it's probably going to attract quite a few tourists.
It's tremendous. It's such a surprise to just come around the corner and see it like this. And we have a similar limestone feature in Lulworth Cove back on the south of England. And it's where it has worn away. I think it is beautiful. Also the lovely blue sea, and the sea is flecks of white. It's obviously slightly windy, but it's beautiful. I think it's a lovely place to visit.
I think it looks lovely. It's very nice. It's lovely. It's a lovely thing to have, and it's unusual, isn't it? Very unusual. So it would be a pity if that happens, but
Matul is-snin it-tieqa ta' Dwejra deret f'diversi films fosthom fi Clash of the Titans of the Count of Monte Cristo. Fl-2009 kienet saret sottomissjoni mill-Kunsill Lokali ta' San Lawrence biex it-tieqa ta' Dwejra tkun iddikjarata bħala waħda mis-7 meravilji tad-dinja. Madankollu, sfortunatament, ma klassifikatx sal-finali.